Hi, I'm Kirsty from Profile Designs Furniture, and we're making this short video to highlight one of the great properties of solid surface. I'm going to be using red hair dye and permanent marker to illustrate just how easy it is to remove stains from Corian. All that is required for everyday cleaning is washing up liquid and a microfiber cloth or sponge. Wipe down the surface with a damp soapy cloth, rinse off excess soap with a clean cloth and dry the surface. For more difficult stains, as shown in this example, a cleaning product such as Barkeeper's Friend is ideal. Using a circular motion, clean the surface until the stains have been removed. Solid surface has a non-porous surface which prevents dirt and stains from penetrating the material. Marks and stains stay on the surface and can easily be removed with a cloth and household cleaner. Avoid using harsh chemicals as this can damage the surface. If you have any questions, please contact us via www.profiledesigns.co.uk.